Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at PASC 16 in Lausanne, Switzerland, and I'm here with Iris, and we're going to learn about a seismic simulation poster that she put together. How you doing today?
Fine, thank you.
Good, good. So tell me more about this. What is this poster about?
Well, we are actually trying to look and couple long-term earthquake physics from plate tectonics with very short-term wave propagation physics. And that's why we need two models, a geodynamical model and a dynamic rupture model. And by coupling these two models, we actually use the advantages of both models. So we get very self-consistent stresses and strengths from this model. And here we can use the very high spatial and temporal resolution. And then combined, we can actually use these stresses as input for this, which are otherwise very unconstrained. So we can get the physical input and the high resolution at the same time. And here you can see how that goes. We use these stresses, and they are inputted at the fault. We also input the geometry and density and material parameters from the geodynamical model. And then we get, as a first proof of concept, a rupture in the geodynamical model, which lasts for about 30, 40 years, very long. So, okay. And then you can see in the dynamic rupture model, we get nucleation at the same point spontaneously, which is very new. And then roughly, and in the first side, we can see that the ruptures are kind of the same. They both rupture up dip. And the spontaneous nucleation is really something new here.
Okay. Now, what are you able to derive from this potentially? Could you predict earthquakes or where faults are?
Well, we would really like to predict earthquakes at some point, but we're a very long way from that.
Okay.
And at this point, what we would like to do is understand the individual earthquake ruptures better. And this research specifically is targeted to understanding the surface displacement better so that we can eventually look at tsunamigenic potential of earthquakes and how tsunamis are formed.
Oh, okay. And is this your first time at the PASC conference?
Yes, it is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think so far?
It's really nice. It's nice, small, and cozy, and a lot of different fields. Okay. Very interesting to see.
Okay. One more question. I wanted to ask you where these simulations were run. Was this run at ETH Zürich on a cluster, or what?
No, it was run on a CSCS on Munich, the cluster, yeah.
Okay. Well, thanks for sharing that with us today. Good job.
Thank you very much.